Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Audrey's World. In today's video, we are going to do making slime with my favorite color versus making slime with my worst color. So, you should know this already, but my favorite color is purple. See, purple? I know your girls are going to be so mad at me, but my worst color is pink. I just hate it, so pink and weird. So anyway, let's get on with the video. Now, I'm going to do the purple first. Now, I'm going to add the dye. It's violet because purple, another name for purple is violet. And yeah, so I think I'm going to do 2 drops and see how it goes. This bowl is just way too big and it's not mixing all the way, but it will probably mix all together when I add the Tide. I think that's enough dye. I think I added way too much, but now I am gonna add this special little purple glitter. It's really cute. So, ooh, that looks so pretty. That looks super pretty. But we're not done yet. So this is gonna go even more prettier with some silver glitter. See, it's brilliant silver. Next one is a plum purple glitter. It's one of my favorite glitters because it's super pretty and it complements all of my slime. Okay, I think this is almost done. Yay. Just a few more touches. And then I could finally put it in the container. Okay, now it takes a really long time for clear slime to clear up. It takes about a week, so I have to wait a week to play with that adorable purple slime. Okay, well, I'm gonna go wash my hands and I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. Well, it's actually gonna be a second for you guys, but it's gonna be like a few minutes for me, so bye. Okay, I'm finally back. Now I'm gonna make the most horrible color in the universe, pink slime. I'm probably gonna give it to one of my friends because they love the color pink. So, yeah. I feel like I'm gonna drop this. Just gonna pour it in. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah. Yes. Now, I'm going to make this pink slime into a fluffy slime because pink slime goes very good with fluffiness. So, yeah. So, you just shake it, shake it. Okay. Now, I'm going to add the shaker. Oh my gosh. I cannot shake this too well. Okay. That's good. Okay, now the moment of truth. Gonna add the dye to make it pink. That's good. I don't want it to be so pink.
Okay, action.
Now I'm gonna add this glitter. It's neon hot pink, which is actually kind of cute glitter. So let's add this. be wondering, why am I wearing this hat? Well, that's because I just got my hair done like a few hours ago before I started doing a video, and I did not want to mess it up. I got it straightened, but in the next video that I'll make, you'll see my straight hair. Okay, I think that's good. I think that's enough meeting because I'm about to lose power on my camera and I need to charge it.
Away.
Here's the final product. I'm gonna make a swirl so you can see. It's kind of hard. I think I added too much activator, but it's okay. So this is the swirl. This is the best I could do because I added so much activator, which is by mistake. Okay, well, I could always use lotion to make it softer again, but I don't have time to run all the way to my bedroom because I'm super lazy. Okay, this cannot fit in here, but who cares? I'm gonna wash my hands again, and then we're gonna wrap up this video, so see you in a second. Okay, guys, it's the end. I know, you all must be very, very sad. But if you're sad and you want to see new videos, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss a video. And remember, when you got the time, I got the slime. Bye!